Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
So I have been wanting to get into stand-up paddleboarding for a long time, and I recently got this inflatable paddleboard from SUSIEBAY, and I honestly had no idea how fun paddleboarding could be. I have done some paddleboarding in the past, but I am by no means advanced. So I really needed a paddleboard that was going to be really stable. I felt like this board was just that. It's about 11 feet long, and the minute I got on the water, I felt comfortable. It has a nice wide stance, and again, that makes it great if you're on the beginner side. This board came with all the accessories, and they all fold up into a nice carrying case so that they can be super transportable. It came with your adjustable paddles, a leash, wrench, the paddleboard itself, the detachable fin, and the backpack. It also came with this really nice wet bag, which you can use to store your valuables to make sure they don't get wet. I just can't believe how much I love getting out on the water with this stand-up paddleboard. If I feel like it, I can stand on the board, or I can just relax and paddle around and enjoy the scenery. However you decide to use this board, I found it really easy to maneuver. I also felt that overall the board was really lightweight. It's not even 20 pounds, so it just made it really easy to carry around. I am so happy I found this inflatable stand-up paddleboard from SUSIEBAY. I'm going to have so much fun with it this summer, taking it out on the lake and the river.
And that's my point of view.